Still on science, the National Agency for Science, Engineering and Infrastructure, Naseni, has signed an agreement with 11 organizations for the implementation of the Delta II project, a technology transfer and information exchange program between Nigeria and the Czech Republic. Chimdinma Undubisi reports that $21.7 million is being disbursed for the program, which targets research, development and innovation in agriculture, mining and general manufacturing for micro, small and medium enterprises.
Countries of the world are leveraging technology and talent to attain prosperity. Nigeria is on this ship as it thrives towards industrialization. So, in 2014, the nation and the Czech Republic entered a bilateral cooperation codenamed Delta II program that will see technology transfer between the two countries. 285 Nigerian science and technology research institutions and companies applied for the implementation of the program, but 11 emerged from the 6 geopolitical zones. From January 2024, these 11, in partnership with Czech Republic organizations, are expected to swing into action so as to turn out new applicable research findings, innovations, and marketable products and services that will impact positively on farmers, miners, and micro, small and medium enterprises. Naseni and Technology Agency of the Czech Republic will provide funding for 12 to 36 months.
Every ₦1 that Naseni will be investing into this phase of Delta II program to develop new projects, we will realize ₦6 in commercial returns. Of course, in addition to the jobs that will be created and the capacity building and technology transfer.
The outputs of the project are expected to yield patents, pilot plants, proven technologies, softwares, certified methodologies, processes and specialized maps, and database, among others. The resulting technologies from these collaborations will be transferred and domesticated in Nigeria through Naseni.
In another development, Naseni has signed a production license agreement with an Indonesian company, Saputra, for the establishment of a coal fertilizer manufacturing plant in Nigeria. This is an eco-friendly and latest fertilizer technology that guarantees food security. The agreement is for the supply of machinery and equipment for producing coal-based fertilizer in Nigeria, training of Nigerians on use and maintenance, as well as licensing that permits Nigeria to produce coal-based fertilizer, the Saputra standard. In Abuja, Chimdinma Undubisi,